Look at this funny, angry little monster. Can you see how big its teeth are? Let's get started and color it in. Let's choose a bright yellow color for the monster's body. How about some red for the eyes and maybe a darker color for the horns? Don't forget to color in the monster's sharp teeth too. Great job! Now, your monster is all ready. It looks so fierce and funny at the same time. Awesome work coloring! Here's a funny little ghost zooming around in a cart. Isn't it cool? Let's start coloring this fun scene. Start by coloring the ghost in a soft white or light yellow. The cart could be red and yellow. You can color the wheels black and the handles brown. Now you have a fast, racing ghost. It looks super speedy and fun. Great job completing the coloring.